Hello, so welcome to the VV Stickies channel, and on today's episode I'm going to teach you how to make sticker sheets on the Cricut. One thing I forgot to show is when you're uploading the images, make sure to have a back image separately from your front image. What I mean by that is like the ghost that you see, that's a separate image than the backing of the sticker sheets. After arranging your sticker sheets the way you want them to be, you're going to attach it, then duplicate it just so you can have another sticker sheet to fit the page. I also like to line it up side by side. After lining them up, I like to select all of it again and attaching it just to make sure that it stays in place. And what I like to do to maximize space is to just make it as big as I can or the most appropriate size, just so I can get the most out of my sticker sheet and like sticker paper, because I don't like to waste any parts of my sheets while making them. And as a sticker shop owner, a small business owner, I like to reduce waste as much as possible and be eco-friendly as much as possible. And that's like part of my mission and my values as my business. I also made my own washi tape kind of design. When I have extra space on sticker sheets, I can just use this washi tape thing to seal my envelopes, or just to seal my packages to give a more personalized touch. And next, what I like to do is select everything again and attach it again. And oh my god, this is such an important step. This is like the most crucial step, is saving it. Saving your project before printing it and cutting it. Because there are so many times where I wanted to rip out my hair because I forgot to save it. And I forgot to save it and I printed a whole bunch of pages and I could not get the right cuts again. So very crucial, very important, very important step. And this is the last and few final steps. It's just send it to your printer. I uncheck bleed and I check the system dialogs. I print and you should see a little window popping up like that. I put on the highest quality settings for the printer. The settings for the Cricut is for the custom, and then the design space is for sticky note. The sticky note setting won't cut through the actual paper, so I like to go in with a paper cutter and just cut off the ends. The next step is totally optional, but I like to do it just so the sticker sheet can have a more softer look. And it's just a corner rounder. And if you found this helpful, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this.